Hey guys, I'm going to attempt to do me a waterfall going into my pond right there, and we're going to attempt it with no liner, just concrete and rocks. Now, I don't know if it'll work or not, but I mean, water's got to flow downhill, right? And so what I'm doing is I've been out here digging. Hope everybody can hear me for the wind okay. And I've just been cutting a series of steps into the bank. Hopefully that'll be a cascade, or a bit short cascade, another cascade. My vision is a creek running down through here, and then a pool of water, and then a pretty big cascade coming off that. I mean, it's probably, I'm gonna guess, roughly 4 foot high. So cut this bank out right here, have a pretty good stream of water, or pool of water right here where my feet is, pull up, cascade down, and then several drop-offs into the pond. Once again, I'm not going to try not to use a liner. I'm just going to use some concrete and rocks. I mean, I figure water's got to go downhill. My big pond doesn't have a liner in it. You see, I'm working with some pretty good clay. And so, will it work? I have no clue, guys. But, you know, we're going to try it. Just want to show you step one of it. And there's my tools, a mattock and a shovel. And, you know, once I had this backhoed out a couple of years ago, you know, just roughed it, and it's, you know, it's settled in and filled in and stuff over the time. So I mean, I didn't do all that work. It was done by a backhoe, but I'm trying to rough it out, trying to just get a visualize where the water may fall. I'm throwing all the dirt that comes out of here up onto the banks. Will it work? I have no idea, but this is the first series, and we're going to just see together if it works. The last time I done a waterfall here, I used just plastic and house wrap, and I had a gorgeous waterfall for about 10 minutes, and it come crashing down the hillside. So we're going to try to avoid that, but who knows. But I just wanted to document it, and y'all can see my progress. I hope y'all can hear this for the wind. It's really windy out here, but we'll see how it goes. I really don't know what it's going to do. Down there is packed. I mean, it is just cattail roots. I've started trying to dig here, and it's about impossible, so I may just let the water just go where it wants to go down here. It's got to go into the pond. But you can see a cascade there, cascade, and then one all the way up there. So just stick with the progress. We'll see how she goes. Hopefully it works. Thanks, guys.